Feeling lost in the integration jungle? Wondering whether Zapier or webhooks are the right path for your Kabaji setup? Today, we're diving deep into the Zapier versus webhooks debate, specifically tailored for Kabaji users, so you can finally decide which integration method reigns supreme for your needs. First, let's understand what each offers. Zapier is a user-friendly, no-code platform that lets you connect Kabaji with thousands of other apps using pre-built integrations. Called Zaps, think of it as a visual drag-and-drop interface. Setting up a Zap is straightforward. You simply select a trigger in Kabaji, like a new lead, then define the action in another app, such as adding the lead to a Google Sheet. On the other hand, webhooks are custom HTTP callbacks triggered by events in Kabaji. They require coding knowledge to set up and manage. Webhooks provide more flexibility. They enable direct communication between Kabaji and your own server or other applications. Now, let's consider the pros. Zapier's biggest advantage is its ease of use. It's quick to set up and requires no coding, plus it has a vast app ecosystem. However, Zapier can be limiting in terms of customization, and it comes with a monthly cost that scales with usage. You are also dependent on Zapier's platform. Webhooks offer high customization and direct control over your data. Over the long term, they might prove cheaper if your integration needs are complex. But be warned, webhooks demand coding expertise, a steeper learning curve, and ongoing maintenance. So, which is better for Kabaji? If you value simplicity and speed, Zapier is your winner. If you require complex customization and have development resources, webhooks are the way to go. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your technical skills, budget, and the specific integration requirements of your Kabaji setup. Good luck choosing the right path for your automation journey.